I love washing this truck in particular. Reminds me of my old 2000 Dodge Ram. It's my first truck. It was green though. It wasn't gold like this one. As I go to rinse, I'm always gonna work top to bottom. So it's right up here. There's a extra layer. I like to get one side of the mirror. Mirrors always hold extra soap. So it was like trying to take care of that first. Go ahead and get your roof on a truck. Back window, a little slower. Don't go so fast. Kind of let that water creep out of there. So, get your bed. Tailgate. So we're gonna have to wrap around that side. This is where the long part of the hose is. So we're going to work this side. And now we're gonna come back around to this side. And we'll do our loop. And so wherever you have the long side of the hose is where the side you want to wrap around. And again, we're going a little slower. When we're chopping at it, we'll go fast. When we're pushing, we just want to go slow. It'll go off. When we're chopping, we want fast. Chop, 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 chop. When we're pushing, it's going to be slow. Now we will finish over here. That's how we got to the front side. So my cord is tight. So we finish on this side. So everything is just flowing off nice and neat. And that's it.